How to insert or embed a YouTube video in Canva. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to App Hacks. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can insert or embed a YouTube video in your Canva project. So let us get started. So the first thing you will need to do is open up your Canva. Make sure that you're logged into it and simply open up a design. So open up a design and on the next tab, simply open up a YouTube. Now search for the video that you want to add. And all you now need to do is copy the link. You can copy the link directly from the video itself. And after you've copied the link, if you head over here, you can add anything. So and if you copy and paste in your design, the YouTube video will directly come up like this. So it's that simple. Now let me add a template first. So let's say this is our template and this is a really random template. So I'll just add a simple template, and if you want to add your videos right here, just copy and paste it and there will be the link. But if you do it in a blank space, the YouTube video itself will be added like this. And it's that simple, guys. That is how you can add a YouTube video in your Canva design. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.